Welcome to our first virtual reality video. To get an immersive viewing experience, tap on the cardboard symbol, wear your cardboard, and watch the clip in the highest resolution available. Welcome to the cockpit. In order to roll the airplane, the pilots control a pair of ailerons with help of a control wheel. Turning the control wheel clockwise rolls the airplane to the right. To pitch the airplane, elevators on the tail are controlled. By moving the control wheel forward, the elevators go up and the airplane nose goes up. The engine power is controlled by a pair of throttle levers. Flaps and slats are high lift devices. They are activated as shown. Both the rudder and the brake controls are assigned to a pair of foot pedals. Yaw motion of the airplane is achieved by adjusting the rudder. Thanks to the support of our patrons, we were able to produce this video. To see more frequent video releases from us, please support us at patreon.com. Thank you!